Tilt to your left. Left. Tilt to your right. You have to roll down the window quickly. Look, wait. Listen to me. Roll it back up. Roll it back up. Roll it back up right now. Don't only click it once. Click it once. Don't click it again. Okay. There's toxic gas outside, so you have to be quick with what you're doing. There are also screwdrivers outside. See the screwdriver?
Oh, fine.
You're gonna have to pick up one of those after you. No. After you roll down the window. After you roll down the window, you're gonna have to pick it up, and then you're gonna have to bring it inside with your telekinesis.
An escape car?
Yes.
I'm not
Okay.
gonna be able to get that.
You're gonna have to try. Quick. Turn right. Left. Hurry.
Pull it in,
Bring
pull
it
it
in.
in. Drop
it and close the window.
Yes!
You're good. Okay. Now pick up the screwdriver.
Now stop.
Yep. Okay. Now see the thing underneath the clock
Yeah, that thing.
with all the
You can't
bolts
see
on
your
it.
hand.
Unscrew all of them.
Whoa.
There's one below it too. Okay. Now
Pull it off.
pull it off of it. Pull it off. Not using the screwdriver. It's not screwed in. You just have to pick it up.
I have to move it.
Now press the button right there.
The red one. How do you remember this?
Now press the button near
This
the
one?
near the speed.
The speed, the one on the top.
Oh, this one?
The top button, yeah.
You're
You're good. Now take the bomb. Take one of the bombs, not the actual like wires. Pick up
I
one of
know,
the
I'm
grenades.
trying. Hey, no, move. Hey,
Now pull towards you and put it in there,
In the
inside the hole,
there.
and then pull the lever, and then you're done. Actually, no, you're not.
I'm gonna use a stop.
Put it in drive
Stop
Put
shot.
it
Down,
in drive
down there.
with the lever. Pull the lever.
Which one?
Yeah,
that
that.
one.
Now lean over and put the car into drive, like not
Just
drive.
push that one.
Yeah.
You did it.
We.
You won.
Whoa, okay, now I can't see.
All right, now you're done. Come
Okay,
on.
fine.
Good job. Yeah, I don't want to play with figure it out like the pancakes because I feel like I'm never gonna figure it out. Yeah, yeah, I know it's fine. Okay, Connor. Do you know how long it takes to charge them?